How to enable Google Assistant on your Android phone. Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and short tutorial video. In this video we are going to learn how you can enable Google Assistant on your Android device. It's a very easy and simple process. To learn it, you have to watch this video till the very end. So first of all, you have to open up your Google app. If you don't have this Google app on your mobile, then don't worry, go to Play Store and then search Google and then install this app on your mobile. After installing this app on your mobile, then open it, and then at the upper right side you will get a profile picture icon. So tap on here and then tap on settings, and now here you will get Google Assistant. So tap on here, and then here you will get Hey Google and a voice match. So tap on here, and now here you will get this device. Under this device you will get Hey Google. You have to enable this toggle. So tap on here, and then now scroll down all the way to the bottom, and here you'll get I agree. So tap on I agree. Then here you'll get teach your assistant to recognize your voice. Now scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on I agree. And now you have to match your voice by saying these sentences. So say these sentences loudly. Okay Google, what is the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to watch my plans every Monday. And after that, tap on next. And then again tap on next. And now scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on I agree. Now whenever you say Hey Google, then your Google Assistant will be turned on. Hey Google, turn on the camera. And as you can see that my Google Assistant has been enabled on my this device. So following this simple process, you can also enable Google Assistant on your mobile. I hope you understand the full process. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.